Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your slow motion smooth on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and then from here, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add a slow motion. So to do that, we simply need to go select our clip and then go click here on speed. And then from here, you can go and drag this to the left side right here, this bar to 0.6 right here. So now it's in slow motion, but there is a way right here to make that even smoother right here, not choppy like this one right here. So you can click here on the smooth slow motion option, obviously. So click on it right here, and now from here you can see that it's much smoother now compared to before. Or you could also have optical flow on the drop down menu, and then right here this could also, and as you can see, it's still processing. You need to wait for it right here to finish before you can see the result. And it's gonna take some time because this is a long clip, so let's just go and shorten this so that it would take faster, right? It can get processed faster. And while this is loading, we can go here into curve right here, and you can customize your curves right here. So as you can see, there is a lot of graphs right here. So this would mean that the higher the line is, it means the faster it goes, and the lower the line is, it means it's in slow motion, or the slower it goes. So this montage one, means that it would go fast and then go suddenly down very slow and then back to normal right here. So yeah, that is basically one of the reasons that you can use your curve right here. So if you want to go to speed ramping, then you could use the presets right here, or you could just customize your own by clicking on the customize button. And now that the slow motion smooth process is now applied, as you can see right here, now we can see it and play it again, and let's see the results right here. As you can see, it is now much smoother in the animation. It's not choppy anymore, right? So that is the purpose right here in the smooth slow motion. All you have to do is just wait for the process right here to finish, and then boom, there is the smooth slow motion applied to your slow motion. And then from there, you can also use this right here, the curves right here. So yeah, I have already explained how curves work. So it will be like this right here. As you can see, there's speed ramp, suddenly going fast and then slow right there. And by the way, take note that if you change your curves right here, it would process the smooth slow motion back again. So you might want to take note of that. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.